Welcome to this overview of the NMSU DAS AIM system and how to request that your accommodations be sent to your course instructors each semester. This brief video is for students who have already registered with DAS, have been approved for academic accommodations, and need to send the notification to a faculty member. Be sure to pay close attention as you'll need to follow this process each semester. Please be aware that DAS has moved to an electronic faculty notification letter delivery system called AIM. The implementation of AIM means that students will no longer need to submit a request form or return to the DAS office to pick up paper letters. Students may access the AIM online portal by visiting the Disability Access Services website at das.nmsu.edu and clicking the Current DAS Student Login icon on the right-hand side of the page. AIM utilizes the NMSU single sign-on process, which means that you'll need to use your MyNMSU username and password to access your account. The next page that you will see is the My Dashboard overview. It is important to pay attention to the to-do list as it may contain important messages from DAS or information about next steps that you need to take in order to receive your approved accommodation. The overview page is also where you can go to request accommodations for your courses. Students should select courses from the list in which they require accommodations, but should be mindful about whether you require a notification to be sent to all of your instructors or just some. For example, there is likely no need for you to request testing accommodations in an introductory tennis course, or you may not need access to note-taking technology in the case of an applied music course. Once you have selected the appropriate courses that you want your notification sent to, you'll select the Continue option, which will then allow for you to customize. You should see the courses in which you are requesting accommodation along with the approved and available accommodations for the course. Please note that you will not see the option for alternative testing unless you have testing accommodations already approved by DAS. If you do have the alternative testing accommodation available, your faculty will be able to see the detailed testing accommodations on the faculty notification letter. Once you have finished, select the Submit Accommodation Request link at the bottom of the page. If you are unsure about which accommodations you have been approved, or would like to double-check what alternative testing accommodations are available to you, you can do so by selecting the My Eligibility link on the far left side of the page. Once you have submitted your requests, you should be taken to the Overview page where you can see a message on the status of your request and then verify that it has actually been sent to your instructors. You can see here in this demo that accommodations were only requested for some of the courses, but not all, and that the system indicates which courses they are. Please note that most accommodations are set to be automatically approved, although some accommodations do require manual review and approval from a DAS staff member. This is also where you can click on the PDF icon to generate a PDF copy of the notification letter that is sent to faculty if you need it for your records or if you need to provide a proof of accommodation to a third party. Please be aware that while you may have the ability to request letters in advance of the start of a semester, the accommodation notifications actually will not be sent until the semester is already in session. Also, it's important to keep in mind that it is still necessary that you continue to meet with your instructors in order to make arrangements as necessary. If you have any questions or need help, please reach out to DAS directly. You can also visit the DAS website for video tutorials and guidance, and the AIM portal will always display the contact information of your assigned accommodation specialist.